Okay, question 14, negative and fractional powers, really, this one's on. First of all, asked to write 1 over 16 in the form 4 to the n, and this is how it's worked out. So 1 over 16, let's first of all get rid of the 16 and produce 4 out of it. This is equal to 1 over 4 squared. And using the rule about negative powers, all they mean is you've got a sort of a surplus of powers on the bottom. This turns into 4 to the negative 2. And that's the first of the answers for this question. Now B, fractional powers. The 3 down here means we're going to have to take the cube root of the number, then raise it up to the power 5. And the 2 here means we're going to have to take the square root of the number and then raise that to the power 3. You do the roots first because that'll pull the number down rather than make a huge number which we then have to cube root. So the cube root of 8, well, 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. So the cube root of 8 is 2. So this will turn into 2 to the 5th. And the square root of 9 is 3. So this is 3 raised to the power 3. This is looking okay. 2 to the 5th you should know is 32. And 3 cubed, 3 times 3, 9, times another 3 is 27. And that will simply equal 5. And there you have the answer for part B.